What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. Today, guys, we'll be discussing drop shipping for 2021. It is right around the corner, and I can't wait. 2020 has been a trash of a year, but it's all good. We're making the best out of a bad situation, and it is fun to discuss new things that are coming in 2021. And the new thing that I've been seeing that people have been doing a lot more is actually buying a business in a box or buying something that's already done for them. That way they don't have to second guess anything and try to get into something and then just sit there and then not actually finish out the project or the business itself. So I figured it'd just be a good time for me to just go ahead and buy a store that's built out for me and then just review it, and that way you guys can see what all you get and see if it's worth the bang for your buck. So if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, I went ahead and purchased a Shopify drop shipping store for 2021, and I went through Fiverr, and it only cost me $150 to do this. It was actually less than that. It was about $100, but I tried to rush it just for this video. And actually, I was very impressed based on, I guess Fiverr every now and then gets a bad rap. I think it just depends on what you get through Fiverr. It's either going to be good quality or it's going to be what you pay for. Nonetheless, what I got, I was actually impressed with what I have. There are a few things that we can probably tweak, which we're going to go over step by step, as far as what things we can improve, what was actually executed, and what was actually created, and the apps that were put on my store, and going through all the ins and outs and how you can go about ordering your store as well. So getting right into it, I just want to show you this real quick, my order that I put in, and I'll show you the gig itself. That way you guys can reach out to this guy. So it's Moise54, and what he does in a nutshell, he gives you like these products to check out. I want to say he gave me about like 20 of them, because if you look at the gig, this gig includes a winning product. So he gives you the winning product, he does the logo for you, he gives you all your legal pages that you need, the testimonials, the trust badges, it connects the shipping, the contact form. He does like everything you possibly can think of. He does that for you. I'm gonna go through my store real quick and show you everything that he did. And actually, again, very impressed with what I paid for. It was like come out to be like $145, but all good. And he did the product title, tags, detailed descriptions, like everything. So let's check out the store. The store is called Caddy Cove because he gave me, again, like 37 products, 35 products to choose from. Then I slimmed it down to like 4, and then out of those 4, I chose this one purely because it's not seasonal. It's a year-long product. The other 2 I felt like, or the other 3 I felt were seasonal products, so that's the reason why I chose this one. And as you can see, clean design so far. I actually did this logo. The one that he gave was, I'm not gonna say trash, but it wasn't really that good. I didn't feel like it gave my brand the right look and feel that I wanted, so I just created one myself and put it on here, and I called it Caddy Cove. And but yeah, so again, cat brush, he did everything. You get high quality photos as he said in the gig. You see the variations in it, the pink, the gray, and the blue. It demonstrates kind of how the cat uses it. And then also he embedded a video of the cat actually using the product itself. Then you have another description above that. Then below that, a description, and then another high quality photo so the consumer can see how to use it and the size that it is once they receive it, how to install it, what different materials you can install it on, and then more text, more descriptions, just to basically satisfy the consumer of like any kind of questions they might have with the product. We're kind of answering that through the actual description itself. And then of course you got to have your reviews, right? So I wanted at least 20 reviews, and there's 28 on here that were imported from AliExpress, and they all look great. Looks clean. I think, yeah, this is looks, and we'll go through the apps that are connected to the store as well here in a second. But like, here are the policies. The only thing that I don't like, that I'm gonna have to get rid of, is the shipping policy. But here's the privacy policy. Pretty simple, easy to do. Refund policy, same thing. And then the shipping is just full of code. Again, I'll just get rid of this anyway because it's on the FAQ. And here you have terms of service. Here's a track order page, which is always a must when doing a dropshipping store. You have your track order, and then you have your FAQs. He added this. I didn't tell him to do this either. Contact us, which is really super clean. So this will actually go into your whatever email that you signed up with. It'll hit that email. And then about us, which is basically like a template that he has, that he just plugs in your name, your store name. And I had to give him just like a random name because I didn't know what kind of product I was gonna pick from the very beginning when he needed all the information. So I just gave him my name, and then he just built it around that. But I just need to update this too. Then going to the buy now. Well, we'll just go home first. I do not like this home page photo, but 99% of the time people are just gonna go to the buy now page where we just left from. But again, real clean, set for the header message or the header image. He has that, and then shop now goes to the order page. The image not very high quality, and then you can order it from the home page as well. Another description with the shop now button, call to action, and testimonials down here. And then sign up and save. Again, these photos are clean except for the header. Obviously, I might just replace this with a regular cat photo. I'm not sure yet, haven't decided. But yeah, here's the buy now, about us, contact us, FAQ, and track order page. So not bad for 150 bucks. And then let's go to the app so I can show you what was included with this thing. So he really had Arbello, well, technically right now Arbello's connected to it, but I just stumbled upon this one called de-essers. And what this is and what this does compared to Arbello is that, of course, it connects to AliExpress just like Arbello does, but you're able to actually order your products in bulk all at once. So, for example, let's say that you have 50 orders, and like on AliExpress on the back end, it has 10 orders per page. What you'll have to do is like click every single one of those through Arbello just to pay those, but you click one toggle and then you hit your payment method on DSSers, and it pays for all of it all at once. Now, if you have a ton of orders, you just have to go through every single one of those pages and order it, but it does it all at once as opposed to like going through every single one of those line items to order the product. So cool app, and it's free, even better, right? But definitely check this out, de-essers, if you are a drop shipper and kind of curious of like what's better out there than Arbello. This and Shopify is better as well, but Shopify is really expensive, just starting out. But nevertheless, check it out. It has Kit, Looks, which is the photo reviews, which automatically imports the photo reviews for the brush on AliExpress, and then Google Shopping feeds. I didn't ask for that. And parcel panel. This is the tracking page that we got. It's connected to that. And then Ultimate Sales Boost as well. I didn't ask for that, but he went ahead and plugged it in. So out of all these apps, I'll probably delete Google Shopping feeds, Ultimate Sales Boost, Arbello, and Kit. And then I'll just probably have just de-essers and then Looks out of all these apps. Keep it simple, and it helps the speed of my store as well. And I think that's all we need to go through on this store. But again, everything was done for me. I didn't have to like do anything. All I had to do was just change out my name on those pages, on those legal pages, on the policies. And but yeah, it was really set up just to like be a turnkey solution for dropshipping. So again, guys, I'll leave a link down in the description below for that guy, so you guys can check him out. If you want a pre-built Shopify store, again, you can choose the lower model for $45 if you want. Doesn't have to be this one for the $100 gig. So feel free to just go the cheap route. And then also what I'm doing, I'm also paying for a Pinterest ads gig right now that's running traffic to this thing as well. And that'll be another video to where I'll show you the breakdown of how he did his campaigns by separating out from keyword to interest targeting as well. That way you guys can just mimic that and get sales for yourself if you choose to. If you don't, it's all good, baby. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give your boy the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.